Okay, so I want to record really quick videos on Stalk Yourself and not on serial killers exposed. Yet, I I see this. We're going about the stock option market. So you see, it's an augmentation of 7.99 today and 4.7%. And there is a 4.4 on the top as well. So 4.7, it's a 4.7. What is it? It's an 11. And here you're gonna see like the jump. The jump is quite clear. The jump is quite clear. It's 78.4 to 69 3.1 2255 at 7:20, which is a 9. September is 9. The third is 3, a multiple of 9. At 6.9, 3.1. Just that otherwise it's still 4. Yeah. So it's just to say basically, yes, once again, it's not a flux. This is it. This is what's up. And look at that. Yesterday I was like, okay. Yesterday I was like happy about the stocks having big text. And today, oh my god, so predictable. No, everything is fine. An increase of 1.75. No, everything is fine. They are saying bullshit. They are delusional. It's never happened. It's never been happening. 7, 7, 7, 7. I don't know what you're talking about. 4, 2 to 4, like yesterday. Then between the 1 and the 7, you put a 5, and ta-da. No. I'm just seeing numbers. I'm seeing numbers. I must have problem because I'm seeing numbers. Here you see that once again there is a difference between what's shown and what's in the app. So it's 0.9 euros. It's 90 cents and 0.29%, which gives 21, which gives 3, and 433 25. 25 is me. We see again the pattern like with Apple for the 3 thing with the 6 and 9. And actually, the interface here is wrong because it's not 1.75. Actually, for Microsoft, it's 0.4 better than what is shown. 21%, 0.21%. So either the app is not secure, either the bank is not secured, either they're just freaking lying. I don't know. It's just that you can find correlation with other stock options, most probably. And if this is not real, then N26 are in more trouble than I thought they would be. Or perhaps they're just doing this to cover the tracks. It's like, no, this is the app. It's like, no, it's N26 the problem. It's N26 the problem. Their apps can be hacked, and so therefore the stock options are not. No, we don't we don't manufacture the stock option. It's just the bank that is hacked. We just fuck over the bank. I don't know what's worse. You know? It's like we're gonna make it smart. But actually we're making it worse. Right? So here again, the 3 p.m. mark. Cross-reference all I say for yourself. A 3 p.m. 5:15, and then path 0, which means don't even try it. It's ridiculous. So this is it. This is all. This is a short one. That one. I saw that it was 6:34, and then here I don't know how that could be relevant, but I don't know here. I don't know. I saw here that it's 6:34 with the 1 between the 3 and the 4. Then it's 1.20.2. The max is 6,366. So there we go. There, whoopla, where you go. Oh, I'm gonna go on Revolut, but the thing is that Revolut is it's in dollars. Here they say that the action of Nvidia has been going down instead of going up, and they say that Apple has been increasing of 3.63. Which is actually no better. Okay, so here we have as well. Okay, so there is a 20 minutes difference. It's not at 3 p.m. that the stocks have been tanked, but at 3 p.m. 20 it came back to 0. At 3 p.m. Oh, it's actually at 3 p.m. 40 it has gone negative. It has not gone at 0. It has gone negative. Yeah, so N26 is changing stuff to again go about like fucking up with my credibility and the credibility of the information that I provide. So it means that, oh, look at this. This is interesting. Wait a minute. Seriously, stop moving the thing. Wait, I'm gonna. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 5, 5. Where is it? There. You see, it's just like I got it and then I can't have it anymore. But you had it on the screen. It's not the one, it's the one before at 10:15, I think. I can't even reach it. Doesn't want me to reach it. 10:15. Here. 333.03, 1.11%. So it's not the same numbers, but it's the same trend. So you see that there is a major issue with what? N26. Here we see that it has been decreasing of 3.63% over the course of the week. Here we see that it's plus $26.25. This is again related to me. Over the course of the week for April, it's 3.03% of increase. Yeah, and N26 it's been fucked. Again, a mirror, minus 3.83%. They might be losing it right now. Because I'm still having it my way. They might have been like, oh, we're gonna save the day by pushing them to make a mistake. Actually, you just worse than absolutely everything. You just made it worse. You just made it worse. You just showcase that N26 is complicit. And this is all. And you can see the actions here system is better than N26. Yet, I'm pretty sure that N26 got better fundings than Revolut. I think N26 got 1 billion in investment or something like that. Like rounds into big injections of money. I don't know about Revolut, but to me, I don't think that Revolut has gone that much investment. Airplanes. I'm gonna check if there is anything new with Tesla, with the news. No, there isn't. Nvidia, because what's bad news with the company Nvidia? Okay, doesn't look anything bad. Too bad. Okay, so that was a short one for that one. You see that they are very smart. I got someone inviting me to become to their network. Someone from Revolut inviting me from their network. Bipa putaki nanuna. I'm gonna take call it a day. No video on radical authenticity. For today, I came back on Stalk Yourself, which is making them feel so mad. I better out them, huh? Because supposedly, if I work on Stalk Yourself, it's gonna just like pew, breach. So they're freaking out. They don't want me to have. Sorry, they don't want me to have my own freaking thing. Because if I have my own freaking thing, it means that they cannot dominate me. Whatever. Much love.